Okay guys, so today I'm gonna show you how you can remove the front bumper for this Mercedes SL from 2018. Okay, so what are we gonna need? Electric drill, this trim removing tool, and a toolbox. Okay, or you can use the ratchet with the extension and some small sockets. But for the moment we're gonna have to start from the top, and after we're gonna go in the sides, and after that we're gonna go at the bottom of the bumper. So now we're gonna need T25 extension and electric drill. I'm using the electric drill because it's much faster for me, but if you don't have electric drill you can use the ratchet with the extension. Okay, so as you can see here we have one screw here and one screw here, one screw here and one screw here. So we're gonna have to start removing them. Okay, put them in a safe place, or you can put them in a box. Good. After that we're gonna need the 8mm socket, and as you can see here, yeah, we have two screws with 8mm, so you're gonna have to take them out. One, two. We're gonna do the same thing in the left side. Boom. Make sure to don't scratch nothing, okay, when you remove the parts. Okay, now I'm gonna turn on the engine. Probably you're not gonna hear nothing, but because the engine is a bit loud, the exhaust is loud. Okay, let me turn the engine on. Okay, what are you gonna do now? We're gonna turn the steering, yeah, because we're gonna have to remove these plastic rivets from here, yeah. Okay, so one here, we have three. 1, 2 and 3 here. Okay, these plastic rivets connect the mud cover with the bumper, yeah, and that's why we're gonna have to take them out. Okay, as you can see here we have 10mm to remove this screw here which holds the bumper. Okay, try to take this mud cover out so don't stay in your way. Okay, as you can see there we have another screw, so we're gonna have to remove that one as well. Okay, if the extension is not long enough you have to put two extensions. Okay, okay, make sure to don't lose any screw. Okay, let's see it. Okay, now we're gonna have to go in the left side. Okay, turn the steering. As you can see here, I already removed the plastic rivets, but what we're gonna have to do, just push this one away like this, and we're gonna have to remove the screws, yeah, with 10mm. Okay, so it's 1 and 2. Boom. Good. Let's have a look. Good. Let me see if I have enough space. No. Okay, and now we're gonna have to remove the screws under the bumper. Now we're gonna need a sponge, yeah, to lay down it. We're gonna use the ratchet. You can use a jack. You can use a jack to lift up the car. Okay. Now we're gonna have to go under the bumper. You can lift up the car with a jack. Okay. Under the bumper here we have some screws with 8 mil socket. So we're gonna have to remove them. I'm using the ratchet because I have enough space for the drill. But you can use the jack to lift up the car and to have some more space. Okay, so this is the second screw, third screw here. Doesn't take too long, but it's a bit much faster with the electric drill. Anyway, now let's change the position. Okay, one screw here. Okay, and another one here. But it's not ready yet, yeah? So remove this one from here. You can put the car on the ramp to be much easier for you. Okay, now let's take the screws first, so don't lose them. Good. Put them here. Now I'm gonna use this tool to remove the plastic rivets. Okay, because we had two plastic rivets. Okay, good, out. And now we have another one in the right side. Good. And now we gonna have another screw. I'm gonna show you now. Another 2 screws here, yeah, which holds the bumper. Maybe it's gonna be a bit different, you know, from model to model, but if it's this model, you're gonna find the screws under the middle grill right here, yeah. So I'm gonna do the second screw out. And now I am going to remove the bumper. I'm gonna put this sponge here because I don't want to damage nothing. Okay, good. Let's put this tool here. We're gonna put this toolbox here, and now we're gonna have to pull and shake in the same time, yeah. Same here. Okay, it's almost released. We're gonna have to check a bit more what we left, yeah, to make sure everything is okay. Let's see. Okay. This side as well. Okay, let's remove that plug. First, you have to push this one out a bit. Out, boom, yeah. You have to pull it out and after press down, and the plug is gonna come out. Okay. Now here, we're gonna have to push this one in yeah, and try to pull it out. Probably you're gonna need some help when you're gonna do this thing, yeah. Okay, now what I want you to keep in mind, you're gonna have a hard time to remove the bumper from the top, but what you're gonna have to do to use this tool, or you can use a screwdriver. Just you have to pull in the same time, but you have to insert the tool here, yeah, you have to insert the tool here, and you're gonna have to pull in the same time. Probably you're gonna need somebody else to help you. Okay, so we're gonna have to do this thing, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's check. 7. And all the way, yeah, all of them. You have to remove all of them. Okay, it's okay. As you can see, I didn't practice.